Thank you for watching this LedgerGurus video on the Finale Inventory Management System. In this video, we'll be covering how to bulk import and update new products inside Finale Inventory. This video assumes that you want to be uploading multiple products all at the same time, or that you're actually trying to bulk update a bunch of products all at the same time as well. In this video, we're not going to go into a deep dive in all of the different fields that can be found associated with each of the different products. That's the other video where it's called Deep Dive into New Product Setup, where we go into what all these fields are and what can be included and what you might want to track. This video in particular is about bulk updating and bulk importing.
Now, you may have a lot of products you want to submit. You've got a bunch you want to create. If that's the case, you're going to want to do what's called a bulk import, and you'll use a spreadsheet to do that. In your spreadsheet, you'd want a column with the product ID or SKU, and at least your description. Remember, those are the two important things. And then if you have some categories, if you have some different criteria, in our demo here, we've got shirt sizes and hat sizes. That's criteria we can enter. If you have a price or an image, you can add those columns, whatever you want to add. I'm going to go back into Finale. And up at the top, we've got this button that says Import. Now I'm on the product page and there's that Import button. But remember here on the right, you could always just come from here as well. Say Import Products, or I could say Import from a spreadsheet. It's going to take you to the same place. So Finale is really easy for importing. You're just going to copy and paste information here. Okay, so I'm going to go back to my spreadsheet. I'm simply going to copy the information I want to import in. Just did a Control-C. I'm going to come in here and do a Control-V and just paste it straight in. Now it's taking it and it's letting me know I've got 27 total, but I'm going to come down here and it's trying to assign it to a certain category that already exists. And you can see the variant SKU, it's unassigned. It's not quite sure what that is. Well, in Finale, it's called the product ID. So I'm going to say the SKU is the product ID. Then it picked up the rest. It figured out, oh, the description, the category, the shirt size, the hat size, puts it in. You can see that it's going to create it. Oh, and it tells me that I already had existing ones, but it'll update it for me. And we'll talk about in a minute how bulk imports can help us update as we get more information or things change. So this is just going to update. This is going to create new ones. That sounds great. So we're going to say start the import of the 24 products. And then it shows me it looks like I have some product IDs that are invalid. Let's go, maybe we should look at that. Oh, I do, I have an invalid one. Oh, it's a duplicate. So that one's already in there. So it's not going to do it. That's good. I don't want it twice. So I'm going to say good. I'll go ahead and start my import. Now it did it. 2 rows had errors, which we had seen. And then we're going to say view products. We can see now those products have been added in. And there is that medium one that it said was a duplicate, so I must have had it in there twice. So there it is. The products are there. We could click on it and add information. It takes us straight to the product page for each one, and we could add our suppliers and our reorder and all that good information. Now, another good thing about this bulk import is when you're ready and you've got to assign it maybe a manufacturer, or you've got, notice these have item prices and these ones don't yet. If I got the prices I want to add, maybe I want to add some images, the average cost once that comes in. So we want to update all these. You would just pull that spreadsheet back up and then add the columns and add the information you want. Add a column that says price, put in your prices, add everything in, and then you would just import again. And as it did before where it said update, as if it matches the SKU or the product ID and it sees that we already have this one, it won't add it, it will just fix it. It'll update it and add the new information in, and that's a great thing for the bulk import.